you can't see it. See, you're standing here where I am. Here you go. This is where I am, and this is the fucking way I live, man. The damn thing is facing that way. Well, it has to because of the cord. There goes. There. It's just a nightmare. On this little thing. Yeah. So when you open it, here. So this is how you live around here. But it does look good. You should have seen before I put the cabbage in. But you're standing here. Oh, see, here they are. Knocking. Yep. They're over there on that side of the wall. I just heard them. It's on the film. You can hear them scraping. And then they knock. Doom, doom. Okay, so you're standing here. And you can't see. I know. So with the terrorists always fucking stalking me and trying to end my life. Bombs and migraine headaches and everything else. I accidentally left it on high. So we'll see how it turns out. It's gonna be fine, I think. But I will let you know. Bye.